Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to make your PC say welcome and say your name when starting. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Let's go to video. Let's see how to do that. First you have to open the notepad in your computer and paste there what I have given in the description. Now there two you have to type your name. Then now you have to save this file. Go to file and go to save as. Now you have to save this on desktop. Now you have to save this as welcome.vbs. Like that you have to save as welcome.vbs. Then click on save and close it. If you done it correctly, you can see this folder, welcome folder you can see. When you click on that, you can hear it is telling your name.
Welcome to Sandhush.
Let's see how to copy this to a file. For that, go to this PC and search there this PC. When you go to that, click on their file and go to change folder and search options. Now go to view on it and choose the second one, show hidden files, folders and drives. Choose it and click on apply and OK. Then go to Windows C and go to users, and there you can see your PC name. Then go to it and go to there and go to app data. Now there you can go to roaming. There go to this Microsoft file and now there you can go to Windows. There you can see Windows. Now there go to start menu and go to programs. Now there go to startup and there you can see the file. Now there you have to clear this file. You can delete this file. Now I have deleted this file. Now you have to copy the file what you have make earlier from notepad. Then I have copied that. If you done what I had explained you can hear it tells your name and welcome. Let's check it.
Welcome to Sandhush.
Watch like that videos. Keep subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.